basically means rotating your model so it is in the best position for 3D printing. Remember the overhang model from earlier? Let's take a look at the results when it is printed in a different orientation. Notice how the duplicate version has no overhangs whatsoever. The face you see on the right is the same face that represented a 90-degree overhang in section 1 of this course. Orientating the model correctly has allowed us to print the model with no overhangs, and you can see the surface quality is much better. Here you can see a comparison of the same model printed in both orientations. Let's take a look at this chopsticks holder. In this orientation there are no overhangs. If we printed it upside down, you will see there are overhanging features. Let's rotate the model so we can see them. You can see the overhangs in the arches here and in the embedded text here. In this orientation there are less overhanging features, but they are still evident in parts of the arches and the embedded text.